Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Mrs. Nikmat Tuniaya is a lecturer of Methodology Final Project. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Chandra Aprilina from Accounting B. Today, I would like to present about my final project proposal, and the title is Preparation of Cash Flow Statements on KSP Sarana Bakti Semarang in 2021. The topic of this presentation is divided into 3 sections. The first section is introduction. The second section is literature review, and the last is methodology. The first section is introduction, consists of research background, formulation of problem, the purpose of research, and the benefits of research. I will start this presentation by explaining the background of the problem. Cash flow statement is a report that provides information about a company's cash inflow and out cash flow in a given period. The statement of cash flows is important for an entity. During its operation, KSP Sarana Bakti doesn't prepare cash flow statements. KSP Sarana Bakti needs to prepare a cash flow report to assess the cooperative ability to generate net cash, the ability to pay off its obligation, and to understand the cooperative process of generating and using cash and cash equivalent. Number 2 is formulation of problem. First, how is the cash flow statement prepared using the direct method at KSP Sarana Bakti in 2021? Number 2, how much free cash flow does KSP Sarana Bakti have in 2021? Next, the purpose of research. Number 1, preparation a cash flow statement using the direct method at KSP Sarana Bakti in 2021. Number 2, calculating free cash flow at KSP Sarana Bakti in 2021. And the last is benefits of research. The first, increase insight and knowledge. As input for KSP Sarana Bakti in preparing financial statements. Number 3, as a reference source for other research. Second section is literature review. There is financial statement, definition of financial statement, component of financial statements, and then there is cash flow, definition of cash equivalent, and cash flow statement. Purpose of the cash flow statement, benefits of cash flow statement, classification activities in cash flow statement, sources of information in preparation of cash flow statement, method in preparation of cash flow statement, step in preparing a cash flow statement. And the last, there is free cash flow, definition of free cash flow, steps in preparing free cash flow. The last section is methodology, consists of classification of data, method of collecting data, method of processing data, and then method of writing. Classification of data according to their character. There is quantitative data, comparative balance sheets, income statement, and selected data transaction. Number 2 is qualitative data. There is history and development of the company, line of business, vision and mission, organizational structure, entities, and authorities. And then classification of data according to source. There is primary data, company profile, organizational structure, data that describe financial statements, and the last is secondary data. There is general information, comparative balance sheets, income statement, and selected data transaction. Next, method of collecting data. There's interview and documentary. Interview is direct interview with the company to get additional information. And documentary consists of financial reports, list of fixed asset, selected data transaction. Next, method of processing data. First, prepare various information regarding cash flow statement. There is comparative balance, income statement, select transaction data. Number two, calculating change in balance in the 2021 and 2020 balance sheet, then adjusted to the calculation of the result of operating and selected transaction. Number three, classify cash receipt and disbursement. Number four, classify cash flow from operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities. Number five, calculate free cash flow. And the last is make conclusion. And the last of this part is method of writing. There is description method and exposition method. Description method include general information and organizational structure of KSP Sarana Bakti. And exposition method include cash flow statement and calculation. And thank you for your attention. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.